Hello everyone. If you're on the hunt for the best electric pressure washers for this year, you've come to the right place. We've carefully researched and compiled the ultimate list of the best electric pressure washer options, taking into account pricing, performance, and various use cases. Stay tuned to find the perfect electric pressure washer that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the EcoPower Plus HPW3200. The HPW3200 stands as the industry's leading cordless pressure washer, harnessing peak power technology to deliver impressive 3,200 pounds per square inch at 1.2 gallons per minute. Its dual battery system utilizes any 256-volt arc lithium batteries for up to 60 minutes of runtime with 6.0 amp-hour batteries. The washer's integrated handheld control system offers eco, high, and turbo modes with real-time battery status display. Additionally, quick connect fittings ensure swift setup and nozzle changes, while the telescopic handle enables easy transport and storage. Moreover, the comprehensive accessory package includes multiple nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, turbo and rinse, a foam cannon, and a siphon hose for bucket-sourced water usage. The flexible high-pressure hose and stainless steel wand provide durability and reach. Furthermore, the unit's portable design allows for versatile cleaning applications, from vehicles to outdoor furniture. With its peak power technology, the washer maintains consistent performance throughout the cleaning session. Plus, the Quick Connect system streamlines operation, allowing rapid transitions between different cleaning attachments and modes. Overall, while the EGO HPW3200 delivers exceptional cordless cleaning power, users should note the lack of dedicated storage space for the foam cannon attachment. Next up, we have the Westinghouse EPX3500. The Westinghouse EPX3500 electric pressure washer delivers 2,500 max PSI with 1.76 gallons per minute water flow, providing effective cleaning power for household tasks. Its innovative anti-tipping design with four-wheel steering ensures stable operation at just 16.5 inches tall. The unit's compact frame incorporates smart features like 360 degrees maneuverability and smooth transitions across various surfaces. The Pro-style gun also comes with 5 quick connect spray tips for versatile cleaning applications. Moreover, the washer's integrated detergent tank and flexible 25-foot easy coil hose enhance cleaning convenience. The Total Stop System, TSS, optimizes energy efficiency while extending pump life through intelligent power management. Furthermore, the EPX3500's balanced design prioritizes user comfort during operation, allowing seamless navigation between cleaning zones. Its space-efficient construction enables simple storage without compromising functionality. The comprehensive nozzle set also adapts to different cleaning scenarios, from light maintenance to moderate intensity tasks. Overall, while the Westinghouse EPX3500 excels at residential cleaning tasks like driveways and patios, it may not suit heavy-duty industrial applications. On number 3, we have the Karcher K1700. The Karcher K1700 emerges as a user-friendly pressure washer, delivering 1,700 psi of true pressure through its reliable universal motor. Its thoughtful design incorporates a convenient foot-operated power switch and an integrated storage bin for quick access to accessories. The washer's practical features include 3 spray nozzles with a turbo option for intensive cleaning tasks. Additionally, the removable half-gallon detergent tank combines with durable metal hose connections and a robust aluminum frame for reliable operation. Moreover, the universal Quick Connect system and standard M22 connections ensure hassle-free nozzle changes and accessory compatibility. The tool-free assembly allows users to start cleaning in under 5 minutes, while the oversized no-flat wheels ensure stable mobility. Furthermore, the 2-year limited warranty provides peace of mind for this compact yet capable cleaning solution. Its design focuses on essential features while maintaining professional-grade construction standards. The integrated storage solutions and straightforward controls make it an ideal choice for regular household maintenance and cleaning tasks. Overall, while the Karcher K1700 excels at everyday cleaning tasks, the shorter hose and limited nozzle selection may require some workflow adjustments. Next, we have the LWQS5 pressure washer. The LWQ-S5 electric pressure washer is a robust cleaning powerhouse, offering an impressive 4,200 psi and 2.5 GPM water flow to effortlessly handle even the toughest dirt and grime. Its high-pressure system efficiently cleans complex surfaces while maintaining eco-friendly water consumption. The washer's comprehensive accessory package includes 4 quick-connect metal spray nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, providing targeted cleaning power. Additionally, the included foam cannon with an innovative design prevents chemicals from passing through the pump, ensuring long-term reliability. Moreover, the unit's 23-foot hose and extended 36-foot power cord offer excellent mobility, while the dual roller system with anti-tipping features ensures stable operation. Its versatile water intake system accommodates both faucet and bucket sources, expanding cleaning possibilities. Furthermore, thoughtful storage solutions include integrated cord hooks and nozzle holders, while the compact design fits easily in garages or utility spaces. The washer's eco-friendly operation delivers professional-grade cleaning while minimizing water consumption. Its robust construction and versatile application make it suitable for various surfaces, from delicate car finishes to tough concrete driveways. Overall, while this powerful washer offers exceptional cleaning performance and versatility, the addition of a hose reel and quick connects would enhance its user experience. At number 5, we have the GPW3001 pressure washer. The Greenworks 3001 is a powerful and efficient pressure washer designed to handle even the most demanding cleaning tasks. With its 14-amp true brushless motor, this machine delivers an impressive 3,000 psi and 2.0 GPM of water flow, making it a formidable tool for blasting away dirt, grime, and stains. It also boasts a cleaning unit rating of 3,300, ensuring maximum cleaning power. This pressure washer's claims are not just marketing. All PSI and GPM measurements are PWMA certified, having been verified by an independent lab. This ensures you get the performance you're promised. Additionally, the heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump provides performance that rivals traditional gas-powered models without the associated noise or maintenance hassle. Moreover, the inclusion of JetFlow technology enhances its usability by delivering up to 50% more water flow. This feature allows you to reach higher areas easily and perform quick power rinsing, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Regarding durability and convenience, the Greenworks GPW3001 is equipped with a rugged metal gun and a 25-foot Uberflex kink-resistant hose. To add to its versatility, it includes multiple nozzle options: 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap and turbo nozzles for various cleaning tasks. Overall, while the Greenworks GPW3001 may be considered expensive by some, its superior performance, advanced technology, and robust design justify the investment. Last but not least, we also have the SunJoe SPX3000Xtreme on our list. The SPX3000Xtreme sets a new standard in cleaning performance with its blend of gas-like power and the convenience of an electric pressure washer. Designed for tackling tough home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks, it delivers remarkable efficiency. Its eco-friendly 13-amp motor generates up to 1.65 gallons per minute of water flow, making it effective for removing oil stains, mold, rust, tar, and other stubborn grime with ease. What makes this pressure washer stand out is its durability and thoughtful design. It features a rugged 20-foot steel-reinforced high-pressure hose and a durable stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings, delivering commercial-grade performance. Additionally, the 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection ensures extended reach while prioritizing safety. Moreover, the onboard storage compartment keeps its 2 bonus accessories: a utility bristle brush and a wheel and rim brush, neatly organized and ready for use. Furthermore, the pressure washer includes 4 onboard quick connect nozzles, allowing you to customize the cleaning power for different tasks. For added versatility, its foam cannon attachment provides a detergent boost when needed. Regarding energy efficiency and durability, the exclusive total stop system automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging pump life. Overall, the SunJoe SPX3000Xtreme delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and convenience. Backed by a robust 3-year warranty, it's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile and powerful cleaning solution that lasts season after season. You got it. So that's it for the electric pressure washer options in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.